Welcome to NadoZaib's Stitch Stories. Today, we'll discuss some tailoring tips that will make your designs even more beautiful. Tip number 1. Measurement and cutting. Every design begins with accurate measurements. Remember, measuring is not just a step, it's an art. Always double-check to ensure your measurements are precise. Precision in cutting is crucial, so always use a sharp and clean blade. Tip number 2. Fabric selection. The choice of fabric is the soul of your design. Whether it's cotton, silk, or chiffon, each fabric has its own specialty. Considering the heat in Pakistan, a light and breathable fabric is preferable. Tip number 3. Stitching techniques. To add variety to your stitching, use different stitches. Techniques like French seams or flat fell seams will make your clothes look more professional and durable. Tip number 4. Embellishments. Enhance your design with embellishments. Using beads, sequins, or traditional go-to-work can impress your customers. Tip number 5. Finishing touches. Finally, pay attention to the finishing touches. From ironing to attaching buttons, take care of every detail. These are the details that make your design unique. These were some tips that can enhance your tailoring skills. We'll meet again with new designs and tips. Until then, goodbye.